Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to remove table in Google Sheets. Let's begin. There is no direct remove table option in Google Sheets because a table here is basically just data plus borders plus filters. So to remove a table, you need to delete these elements separately. Let's begin. See this first table, remove table filter, select, go to data tab and remove filter. Okay, secondly, remove data, select table, press delete on your keyboard. Remove border, select this border or select all border, click border drop down menu and see this clear border. Colors, select again, reset. Again select, press delete on your keyboard. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.